Hello friends and neighbors! We went to water vending machine here in Las Vegas. You can fill your own bottles, saving money and reducing plastic waste. Instead of buying bottled water and ice at casinos, visit nearby grocery stores like Walmart or Target for better price.
Pag-card,
Si Hagibi, sinuturuan
pag-card,
ako.
ito, gamitin mo po.
Okay.
So, dito tayo. Kasi may coins tayo. 40 cents per gallon.
Okay.
And then do 1 gallon, 25 cents. Plus 5, 30, 10 cents. Plus 40. And then, tatapat mo na sa butas. And then start. Have to be fast kasi huwag mo masayang yung tubig. Ngayon ito, this is 3 gallon. Nalagay ko ito para may medyo malapit siya, hindi siya masayang. Ngayon, 3 gallon, $1.20. Kulang na isang kwarto.
So, ayan po yung ice water. If you want to tipid, pwede po ganyan na lang ang gawin niyo dito sa Amerika kasi mahal na po ngayon ang mga bilihin. So, if you want to save some money, you can go to Water Rocks Ice Water Pure Drinking Machine. So, ito po si Hagibis.
$1.20.
$1.20.
That's for 3 gallon.
Okay. So you cannot use ATM card or you can use card too?
Card there.
Okay. And then what size should be here inside of that machine? Any
Gallon.
3 gallons, 3 gallons.
Yung kanina 2 gallons.
Okay, so that is 3 gallons. And how much it cost?
$1.20.
$1.20. Malaki po yung natipid talaga. So malapit lang naman to sa iba pang mga business.
Sakto lang.
Yeah, okay. And then another one. So how much will be cost if it is this one for this one is I think 1 gallon. May laman pa eh.
Kagad dyan, 38 ml.
How many gallon is this?
O-convert natin.
Sige. Try ko ha. Ikaw na lang. When you want to use a card, that's the way it is.
Okay, we have the card here. Kasi wala na tayong coins. Approved. So, hindi sa sure kung ilang gallon to. So, I'm gonna put 1 gallon for now.
So how much it cost? How much it cost? How much it cost with that 1 gallon?
1 gallon, 40 cents.
Okay, only 40 cents. Dapat mas malaki na.
Charge 40 cents.
Okay, so you can also use a card using that. This one here. And if you want the coins, you can just put a coins. Saan mo nilagay yung coins? Dito. Yan. Mga marites. Okay, that's for now mga marites. Thank you for watching. God bless you.
Audio Jungle.